Okay? All they did was multiplied 6y. They distributed that times each term. Okay. Now remember when we talked about adding and subtracting, we didn't mess with the exponents. Okay. But here we are, because remember our exponent rule of whenever we multiply two variables, two same bases, okay, two like bases, and they have, like you have 6y times 4y to the second, they added the exponent and multiplied 6 times 4. Okay, so 6 times 4 gave them 24. And they added the exponents of y and y squared. So that's how they got y to the third. Does that make sense? All they did was distribute there. Okay. And then look how they got 54y, or negative 54y.
Because there's 2 y's and they added.
Yeah, they have a y and a y. Okay. When you multiply those together.
I'm talking about the 3. Yeah, y, oh, I see. I get it.
You add exponents. Yeah. You're adding exponents right there.
This is so easy.
Yeah, it's fairly simple. I'll clear that. Hold on. Distribute this. Go 3x times each of these terms. All right? Oh, I'm so doing this. All right? So you distribute this by each term.
Can you play that in Mr. Bailey like Friday? You got 21? Dude, remember Mr. Swab also? That was awesome.
Okay, so that we're multiplying 3x times each of those values. Notice how that's color-coded too. So, all right. So when you multiply 3x times 2x squared, what does that give you?
What? 6x to the third?
Yes.
No.
I don't know. I messed up on that one. Sorry.
9x.
Isn't this supposed to be on like on the 5?
It don't matter.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Yep. So when you do that, what does that give you?
9x to the second.
Yes. Add your exponents right there.
And then plus 15x.
Plus 15x. This out on your paper, please. Okay. So distribute that 3 times every term right there. So that's going to give you a. I'll write it out to begin with. Okay. I'm multiplying this out. Make sure you keep the sign in front of it also. That's another key thing that can very easily be mistaken. All right. Notice I kept my minuses right there. All right. Same thing for my 6t. I'm going to distribute that value. Yep. Okay. All I'm doing is distributing here, multiplying this 6t times every term. Okay, does everybody see how I got that? So now I'm going to simplify. I'm going to go ahead and start simplifying this out. Shh. Guys, hush. Okay, this is going to give me a 6t squared. Okay. This is going to give me a negative 12t. This is going to give me a negative 45. I'm multiplying my numbers out. All right, that's all I'm doing. What is this going to give me? 6t times 5t. 30t squared. Nice. Okay, and then you do 6t times 2. What does that give you? 12t. Now, am I in simplest form right here? Do I have like terms?
No.
Well, I do have like terms. I got
2 squares.
I got my t. I got 2 squares. I got t squares right there. Then I also have negative 12t and a positive 12t. So what's going to happen to my 12t's? Essentially, those are going to cancel out. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and mark those out. Those are going to cancel out.
Oh, so we add them up on something like that?
Yeah. Now we need to get it in simplest form. Okay. We need to get all of our like terms together. So what's going to happen to my t squares?
Add from 36.
Yes.
45, and there you go. That's simple.
Okay, I added 6t squared plus 30t squared. Now, notice that I did not add my exponents. Okay, I didn't do that because I'm not multiplying. If I was multiplying, I'd be adding my exponents. All right? Just combine my like terms. First of all, notice that I have an equal sign. Okay, so that means I'm going to be solving for a certain term. Looks like I'll be solving for my variable b. I need to figure out what b equals. I'm going to do the same exact thing with distributing my b first. Okay, I'm going to multiply my b times 12 and then my b times b. Does everybody see that? So I got b times 12. Okay. Then I have b times b. Then I have minus 7 left over. Okay. So I'm done with this left side. I've already wrote all that out. Now let's simplify that right side. Okay, leave 2b there for right now. Okay, same exact concept. We're going to distribute this b over on the right side. That's going to give you a negative 4b. Oh, sorry. I'll write that out. Sorry.
If you multiply b times b would be 2b.
Sorry.
It'd be 1 times 7.
Sorry, hold on.
Wouldn't it be adding b?
Okay, sorry. So I did b times negative 4. Okay, I just kept that negative in front of it.
Positive b. It'd be positive.
It'd be a positive b times a negative 4. It ends up, no matter what, I still get a negative answer. Is that okay with y'all? Okay, here we go. Sorry. Here we go. So it's a positive b times a negative 4. Okay, I'm distributing that b, multiplying by each term. Then on the other end, I got a b times a b. Got that? Good. Now, let's start simplifying. B times 12 is going to give me 12b.
Plus b2. Yeah, that's what
B squared, good. Good. Minus 7. Okay. Simplified my left side. Work on the right side now. I got a 2b.
Would it be a 3b? Because you're adding b. 2b plus b.
No, I got 2b plus b times negative 4. We got to handle that negative b times negative 4 first. Okay. So that's going to give me a negative 4b. All right. Plus b squared. Now, let's go ahead and, well, let's simplify that 2b minus 4b. Does everybody see that? We can go ahead and simplify that. That's going to be a negative 2b plus b squared. Okay, all I did was simplify that first one. Just going to write down everything else. Okay. Now, let's get all of our b squares on one side. Now, when you do that, if I minus b squared from this side, all right, they cancel out. Okay, so those b squares are adios.
When did that become a negative 2b? Up there where it's
When I did, see when in the blue, where I had, I did 2b minus 4b. Yep. Okay. So now all I have left on this left side is 12b minus 7. Then I have negative 2b. Okay. So now we add our let's subtract 12b from both sides since the b is already on that right side and 7's on that side. Yep.
B equals negative 2.
Okay. Now this is one-step equation. You divide both sides by negative 14 and you get positive 1/2.
1/2. Why? Because
Negative 7 divided by negative 14. No, if it was 14 over 7.
That's, there you go, cause 14.
How many times can negative 7 go into
14,
negative
hey,
14?
7 divided by 14 is a half, that's right, cause 2 sevens go into 14.
Okay,
Oh, I divided it wrong.
so that'd be your final answer.